our cookie is cooled. Now I just want to separate the pieces before we start decorating. Okay? Just take a knife and loosen underneath, being very careful not to break our cookie pieces, and just try to pull it away. If it doesn't come away right away, just go around it with the knife very gently to pull the pieces away. We don't want to break any of our puzzle pieces, or we'll have to start over again. Okay, and just separate it like that. And again here, slide the knife or spatula underneath and just loosen the cookie from the baking paper. There. And when they're nice and separated, then we'll just kind of gently push them back together to do our decorating. I don't want to push them back tight, just gently push them back together. Okay, now we're going to write a little message on our cookie. I have my pastry bag fitted with the tip, and to hold a pastry bag, you want to take in the notch of your thumb and your finger, you hold the pastry bag and kind of pinch it in that area and twist the bag to create a pressure. Now before you start, you want to clean off the tip. Just wipe it on a napkin. And I'm just going to write a nice big I. Now this royal icing will dry hard. Okay, and I'm down here, I'm going to make a U. Just the big letter U, because we're going to do I, heart, you. I love you.